Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing and trying out this beautiful palette by It's My Raye Raye and BH Cosmetics. This is her second palette, so this is part 2. As you can see, they're very bright shades, just in time for spring and summer. I'm just going to do a few swatches for you, and if you would like to see how I completed this look, then keep on watching. But before you do, just go ahead and click that subscribe button. First, I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm just gonna swatch a few so that you can see. Do the shimmers. So I did a few swatches. These are of the shimmers. I will say, swatching it, the shadows are very velvety or satin, where they do give pigment, but it's like a nice sheer wash of color, basically. But they are, let me just do a few of the mattes. I go 2 of the mattes here. So they swatch very good. As you can see, I completed this look using all the shades from her palette. I don't know if you can really see because I put on these dramatic lashes, but as you can see, the purple is very bright, but it's wearable. Like, her shadows are very realistic and they're wearable. I did buy the bundle deal, so I got the palette and I got this free lip gloss, which is what I'm wearing right now. It is $17 or $17.50. The gloss, I'm not really sure, maybe it's like $6 or something, but I got it free when you ordered this with BH Cosmetics. And the palette comes with a mirror. Can't go wrong when you put a mirror. And she also has the names listed on here, which you could probably, I don't know if you can see that. I like that it has the names with the shadows in the palette. So nice packaging, can't beat the price, especially when you buy both of these together. It's a great deal. So I couldn't pass it up because her last palette was beautiful. You also got highlighters in it, and that's a good deal. So that is my review on the palette. The shades are beautiful. It's nice for springtime. You can't beat the price, $17. Why not? Channel, if this is your first time here, my name is Shauna, owner of SLR Beauty, and today I'll be reviewing the It's My Raye Raye Part 2 palette, which is this. I also got the lip gloss, which is what I'm wearing, for free. When you buy the bundle, I believe it's like $17.50 for the palette, and they were giving away the free gloss. So I bought it as soon as it came out so that I could get this gloss. So if you would like to see how I complete this look, keep on watching. So I don't know why my video just cut off that quickly, but we're gonna jump right into this eye look. So I'm just using the LOUISE Rumor 2 eyeshadow primer, and I'm using a 252 brush by MAC Cosmetics. Next, I'm going in with the brown shade and a 224 brush. I'm sorry, the shades are listed in the palette. That shade is Brick. So I'm using the 224 to blend that in my crease, just to have a little bit of a transition shade. The next shade I'm using, which is the shimmer purple, which is Charmed. I am using a 242 brush by MAC, and I'm placing that all over my lid. And I'm using this dry to really test out the pigment and the color payoff without having to wet my brush. Next, I'm going to use the matte shade of the purple, which is Majesty, and I'm just putting that in the outer part and a little bit into my crease to kind of build up that color with the 217. And then now I'm using Golden Girl, which is a shimmer yellow, and I'm putting that in my tear duct just to add another pop of color. Next, I'm using the same purple, and I'm just putting that on my lower lash line, and then I'm just going to blend that out with some of the brick shade that I used to create more of a smokier effect. Next, I'm using Definitely Black eyeliner by MAC Cosmetics, and I'm just putting that on my waterline. Next, I'm using the number 77, the INGLOT gel liner, and a 266 brush by MAC. And of course, I'm using my lashes and Drama. These are available online at slrbeauty.com. Next, I'm using CORK to line my lips. You guys should know the drill. This is my favorite lip liner for a nude lip. And then I'm using the It's My Raye Raye gloss that came with the packaging. And then I'm just mixing a little bit of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I believe this one is Diamond or something like that. And then I'm just going to spray some of the NYX Dewy Mist just to kind of help hydrate my skin. And there you have it, the completed look.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.